Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the automatic app installation problem over Play Store. You want to turn off, for example, the automatic app installation. So let's open the Play Store and you can tap on your profile picture and go to the settings. Here there are some options such as General, Network Preferences, Purchase Verifications, Family or Parental Control, and About. So you have to tap on Network Preferences and then tap on Auto Update Apps. Here, this is the option Auto Updates Apps. So you can choose the Update All Apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can update all apps as soon as updates are available. Update with a limited amount of mobile data when Wi-Fi is not available. Google Play will update a few of your most important apps using only a limited portion of your mobile data. Or update over Wi-Fi only. This is the default. Or don't use auto update apps. So you can choose this option to turn off auto updates. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.